Welcome to our demonstration of the simulated UAV network testbed. We're going to showcase the whole workflow. We're starting with some MATLAB code where we are calculating the optimal trajectory for our mission, where we fly by different users in more or less uncertain locations. We can then export this as a mission plan and import this in Q ground control. So we're using the actual UAV control software. This is running all in a simulated environment. Our starting location is at the university campus at the Mission eHub Smart Home House. So now we see here a test flight at our campus with one of our actual UAVs. And this is how we also test this mission. We can now see how the virtual UAV is flying, and we have support for integrated hardware-in-the-loop software-defined radio to emulate the link between the UAV and the ground station. So when we fly out of communication range, we can see here that we also lose this communication link in our simulated environment. So from now on, the ground station is basically blind. This is running in parallel and is a view of the actual network interface. And we can see here that the UAV is still moving. The green lines indicate new connections. All the smartphones we see here are running decentralized communication app or protocol, also used in the emergenCITY Reason mission. And we're using delay-tolerant networking to distribute messages opportunistically between all these nodes. So the actual UAV consisting of a PX4 flight controller as software in the loop, running in a physical world simulation on Gazebo, is still moving, and the network connections are simulated here. So once we come in communication range, for example to person 9 here, once we have it discovered as a new peer, we can exchange all our information and exchange the bundles and messages we want to deliver to this person. Everything is running here in real time, and the actual ground software that we're simulating is still blind as we're not yet in communication range again. But we can see here the UAV is still moving and communicating with all our virtual nodes. Once we get back into communication range, also the ground station and the ground station software receive updates again, and we can also get all the data we've collected from the different virtual smartphones in our mission. So this was a quick overview of Sun, our simulated UAV network testbed, and one example mission we've done here. So thank you for your attention.